Alright, let's be real. You know, growing on YouTube is frustrating. You put in hours filming, editing, and uploading, and what do you get in return? 10 views, maybe 30 views, 5 views. Maybe you might even get 3 likes, and one of them is from your mom. The problem, nobody cares. YouTube is not just about posting videos. It is about getting people to care enough to click, watch, and even come back for more of your content. And if you keep doing what you are doing, you might stay stuck forever. But don't worry, I have got you. In this video, I am going to show you these 6 powerful tips that will make growing on YouTube so much easy for you, even if you have 0 subscribers right now. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make people care, get more views, and actually enjoy the process instead of feeling like you are shouting in the void. So if this is a video you want to see, please go ahead to hit that subscribe and like button, and also the notification bell, so that you get notified each time I publish a video like this. Without any further ado, let's dive into the main video. And hey, do stick around to the end, because tip number 5 is what most YouTubers ignore, and is costing them thousands of views they are not able to get in no sooner time. Let's dive into it. The tip number 1 is stop making random content, because nobody cares about you yet. The biggest mistakes more YouTubers make, they think people care about them. But let me tell you the gospel truth. People don't care about you. They don't care about how you wake up in the morning. They don't care about how you went to market. They don't care about your night. Maybe you post a day in my life or my first vlog, expecting people to watch, but one day they don't know you yet. So what are the solution? What can you do? Instead of making videos about you, make videos for your audience. Focus on what your audience want to see. For example, instead of my morning routine, try morning routine that helped me lose 20 pounds of dollars. If your niche is all about fitness, or if your niche is maybe YouTube growth like ours, you can try something like how to get more subscribers the smart way. Instead of how to get subscriber, just use how to get more subscriber the smart way. Maybe instead of trying out this new camera, make it best budget camera for YouTube in 2025 if you are in the tech space. So this is how you are going to stand out in what? Creating content that is for your audience. The key is to solve a problem or entertain them, because your audience love to see something that is entertainable, because right now nobody is clicking just to watch you. Maybe you just start up your video and start saying, hi, welcome back to my channel. That is boring. So you need to create a video that people will always click and watch, not your words, not all about you. The second tip is your title and thumbnail. You know, big YouTubers, all these YouTubers always say it in their videos that making your title and your thumbnail, make it something that needs to be undeniable. You need to create a title and thumbnail that once people see it, they wouldn't want to what? To click away. YouTube is a competition for attention. If your title and thumbnail don't make people stop scrolling, your video is dead on arrival. Because if your title and thumbnail is boring, people will scroll away from your video and they are not going to watch your video. I'm going to give you a difference between a weak and a strong title. For a better title, you can say I went from 0 to 100k views doing this. Even better, nobody is watching your video, so you need to do this right now. Did you see the difference? It brings in curiosity, urgency, and a reason for people to click on your video. So your thumbnail, it needs to be simple, bold, and easy to understand in just 1 minute. And your thumbnail, it needs to be easy, bold, and easy to understand in just 1 seconds. You don't need a tiny text, no clutter, just your face, an emotion, and a clear idea of what the video is all about. Now, when you look at this my thumbnail you are seeing on the screen, you can see how clean, how bright, how attractive it looks. So whenever you are making your thumbnail, you need to take your time and design your thumbnail. For example, if your video is about why your views are low, your thumbnail could show a sad face and a big 0 views on the screen. If it is about how to get monetized fast, you might use a YouTube logo and a big $1,000 to show the outcome of what your video is all about. Okay, so and mind you, if nobody clicks, YouTube won't even push your video. So fix your title and thumbnail first. Now let's talk about the one thing that actually keeps people watching longer on your video. Like you start getting that views, that subscribers, those engagements you have been looking for years. Number three is what? Master the first 30 seconds of your video. This is where most YouTubers, especially small YouTubers, growing YouTubers fail it in their video. They will keep on making video at the end, they are not getting any result. That is because your first 30 seconds of your video is not hookable. Have you ever clicked on a video and left after 15 seconds? That is because the intro suck. So if your video starts with maybe say, let me say, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about this, I want to talk about that. People will leave very early, and when they leave, that particular video is dead. So your 5 seconds of your words, your video should matter. Just don't use your 5 seconds for an irrelevant words and like animated logo. Maybe you just start something with logo or anything, you already lose. So this is what works for you in case of your watch, your video 5 seconds. Start with a bold statement or problem. Example, let me say, nobody is watching your videos. Here is why. Another one is to tease what is coming. Let me give you an example. Maybe stick around because tip number 5 could double your views overnight. The next one is you need to show a proof. If possible, flash a screenshot of your analytics or a successful word result. You know, the faster you hook them, the longer they stay. And speaking of keeping people watching, you need to practice this and start growing your YouTube channel. The fourth one is keep people engaged with pattern interrupt. Have you ever noticed how the best YouTubers never feel boring? That is because they use pattern interrupt, little tricks to reset your brain and keep you engaged. So this is what you are going to do. Jump cut out unnecessary pauses, keep things visually interesting, b-rolls, maybe example, show what you are talking about instead of just saying it. Like you are saying on my video, and make use of some b-rolls in some part of this video. For example, if I'm telling you short videos are blowing up on YouTube, I might cut to a quick start showing how much short views have increased. You know, this will keep viewers engaged, which tell YouTube people love this video. So they will have to push it to more people and start recommending it. Now, let's talk about something most people know, and that is why they are struggling so hard. Which brings us to the last but not the least, you need a content plan or you will burn out. YouTube is not about posting whatever you feel like. You need a strategy that will help you grow without getting overwhelmed. Like me, before I will make any video, I will plan ahead what type of content am I going to make. I will bring down those video ideas and stay ahead. Now, let's get into the final tip, the one that actually makes people hit that subscribe button. Give people a reason to come back. Getting views is one thing, getting people to keep watching your channel is the real game. Here is how you're going to make it happen on your channel. End your videos with a next step recommendation. Example, if you like this, watch my video on the biggest YouTube mistakes killing your clothes. You know, building a community, replying to comments, asking questions, make people feel included. Have a recognizable style that, like, when people recognize your word, your way of teaching. Like when you come to this my channel, you see that I have a particular color of thumbnail. Like the color of my thumbnail is always this color you are seeing on the screen right now. So you need to have a recognizable word, styles in your thumbnail, in the way people recognize the way of your teaching and entertainment. That is why they will keep coming back for more of your content, because they find it interesting in watching your word, your content. You don't need people to just watch one of your video. You want them to bing 5 in a row. Like you want them to bing 5 videos in a row. You are too greedy, oh. My brother, my sister. You greedy pal, so that is how you are going to grow. So I believe you find this video helpful, and if you have watched this extent, subscribe and join our community. So let's recap what we just said. Make videos for your audience, not for yourself. So you need to research some videos that are bringing what new audience. Fix your title and thumbnail, or no one will click on your video. Hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds or they will leave. Keep them engaged with pattern interrupt. Plan your content so you don't burn out, because burnout is real. And most importantly, give people a reason to come back to your channel. I just made a video. This is it. I'll be recommending it at the end of this video. So click it here, because if you don't fix this mistake, all your hard work on YouTube might be for nothing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, give it a massive thumbs up, and so that it can get to a whole lot of people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.